Lily and the Lost Balloon. Lily loved balloons, especially bright red ones. One sunny afternoon, her mom bought her a big, bright red balloon from the park. Lily held the balloon tightly, smiling as it bobbed up and down, following her every step. But as they reached the lake, a gust of wind suddenly blew her balloon right out of her hands. "Oh no!" Lily cried as she watched it float up, high into the sky. She ran along the shore, waving her arms, hoping the balloon would somehow come back. As it drifted higher, Lily spotted a friendly bird flying near it. To her surprise, the bird swooped close to the balloon, nudging it back toward the ground. Lily gasped as the balloon floated down, right into her hands. She hugged it tightly, grateful for her new feathered friend. "Thank you, bird," she called, waving as the bird chirped and flew away. From that day, Lily always held on to her balloons a little tighter, but remembered that sometimes, with a bit of kindness, magical things can happen. She often looked up at the sky, smiling, hoping to see her balloon friend again.